Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, but it's natural to wonder if everything is going well. Here are 10 signs that usually indicate a healthy pregnancy. Always consult your doctor for medical advice. A gradual, steady weight gain is a positive sign. It means your baby is growing and your body is preparing for birth. Feeling your baby's kicks and movements after 18 to 25 weeks is reassuring. It shows your baby is active and developing well. Healthy blood pressure helps maintain proper blood flow to the placenta. Regular prenatal checkups ensure it stays in a safe range. A steady appetite with balanced cravings indicates good nutrition absorption. Remember to eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Your belly should grow steadily as your pregnancy progresses. Doctors track your fundal height to ensure the baby is growing at a healthy rate. Mild swelling is common, but severe swelling could be a warning sign. Healthy pregnancies usually have minimal, manageable swelling. Feeling energetic most days, with some natural tiredness, means your body is coping well. Adequate rest and hydration help maintain your strength. Occasional mild cramps are normal, but severe pain or bleeding should be checked immediately. A healthy pregnancy is usually free from such complications. Regular scans and tests showing normal results are a great sign. Your doctor's reassurance is one of the best indicators of health. Mild mood swings are normal, but stable emotional health means your hormones are in balance. Support from family and friends can help you feel secure. Every pregnancy is unique, but these 10 signs are generally associated with a healthy one. Listen to your body, attend all prenatal checkups, and follow your doctor's advice.